So with so many imperfectness, if we try to become a teacher, then I am a cheater, I am not a teacher. We must know first of all. So we are receiving knowledge from Krishna, because Krishna is accepted, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and with perfection of knowledge. So here the matter is being clarified, and Krishna is answering also that bahuni me janmani batitani. Krishna appears, Krishna says, jada jada hi dharmassagrani bhavati bharata tadatmanam srijamaham. He comes on this planet or in this universe. When he comes in this universe, he comes on this planet. There are innumerable universes, not one, but innumerable. So there is a rotation of Krishna's coming here. Just like the sun rotates every 24 hours, he is visible in the morning. Just like here, just now it is 8:30. At 6 o'clock in the morning, the sun will be visible. Everyone can say, any experienced man, this is not foretelling by experience. Any child can say that tomorrow at 6 o'clock the sun will appear. Similarly, the Shastra says at such and such time Krishna will come. One who knows, one who does not know, how will say? But there are indications. In Brahma's one day, Krishna appears on the Dapur Yuga. So therefore Krishna says, bahuni me janmani, bahuni me batitani janmani tavacha Arjuna. You have also passed many births, and I have also many times appeared. And because we are friends, we appear together. That is also fair. But the difficulty is, tani ahanga veda. I know all those things. When I appeared last, what did I do? And when I shall again appear, these things known to me. Tani ahanga veda. Sarvani. Sarvani, past, present and future, I know everything. Natu nattanga vedha parantapa. Although you are a great warrior, parantapa. Parantapa means one who can get, one can give trouble to the enemies. Parantapati. So, although you are a very great warrior, a great personality, but you cannot know this. You cannot know this. That is the difference between you and me. That is the difference between God and the living entity. We had our past life, because Dehantara Prapti, we have changed our body, and we shall change this body also. After annihilation of this body, Vasamsi Jinnani Jatha Vihaya, old garments, old cloth, when it is too old, unusable, then we give it up. We accept another new cloth. Similarly, when this body becomes unusable, then we change our body. We get another new body. This is the way of transmigration of the soul. This is a fact. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumara jovanam jara tatha dehantara prati dhiras tattva namayati. The dehantara prati is there. But we have forgotten what I was in my last life. That I cannot say. Neither I can say what kind of body I am going to get next. That I cannot say. Our knowledge is so imperfect that we cannot say. But Krishna can say, past, present and future. It is said here, Tani ahanga veda sarvani. Everything. Sarvani means I veda, sarvani means past, present and future. Now we can derive conclusion that, how is that? Krishna appears like human being, and we are also human being, the same 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head. How is that he knows everything and I do not know? The conclusion should be derived like this, that we forget because we change our body. Just like I was a child, you were a child, every one of us. We did so many things in our childhood, but we have forgotten. With the change of the body, the activities of my past body is forgotten. This is a fact. Similarly, when we change this body, we get another body, we forget. But why Krishna has not forgotten? That means he does not change his body. This should be the conclusion. This should be the conclusion from right logical point of view. I forget because I change my body. Krishna does not forget, he does not change his body. This should be the conclusion. And Krishna says also that Sambhavami Atmamaya, I appear and disappear by my own energy. We are forced by the other energy. Just like I have got human body now. Now I shall have to change my body after my death. That change of body is not in my hand. Actually it is in my hand. Because according to karma, if I work nicely, then we get good body. And if we do not work nicely, then we get bad body. That is, we can understand from the Shastra. Urdham gachanti sattvastva. How we can understand? Shastra chakkhusyat. You have to see through the Shastra. Otherwise you have no eyes to see past, present, future. Just as astrology. Astrology, by calculation, through the Shastra, astrological calculation can say what you were in your past life and what you will become in your next life. There is astrological system. They can say like that. So, through the Shastra, by that calculation, we can understand. So, what is that? The total is the urdham gachanti sattvastva, those who are situated in the modes of goodness, Brahminical qualification. Sattva, sama, dhamma, titikha, arjava, jnanam, vijnanam, astikam, brahma karma sabhava. If we remain perfectly a Brahmin, truthful, clean, sattam saucham, sama, sense controlling, mind controlling, sattam saucham, samam dhamam, titikha, tolerance, arjava, simplicity, jnanam, full knowledge, vijnanam, application of knowledge in life, vijnanam, astikam, full knowledge of the absolute truth, astikam, brahma karma sabhava. If we remain in this qualification, Brahminical qualification, this is called sattastha, situated in the satogun. The rajagun and tamagun cannot conquer. In that situation, you will be elevated to the higher planets. This is Shastra says. Urdham gachanti sattastha, madhye tishtanti rajasa, and the middle planetary system. This earthly planet is the middle. Bhur, bhuva, sa, up to sargulo. So, if we remain in the modes of passion, then within these planets,